think I'm a little too low. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something that I really have been feeling. So basically I did it a few days ago. It ended up turning out so nice, and I was like, okay, I took some wicked pictures in the backyard, and then I was like, you know what, this makeup looks so lit that I know you guys are going to be asking me how I did it. Like, why not just film me doing it all over again? Hopefully I get it right this time. Hopefully it matches the photo on my Instagram page. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, it is the same name on my YouTube, CHINUTAY. You say it like the chai tea and then nutay. If you guys don't follow me on there, go ahead and check that out. If you also don't know, I upload videos twice a week. Don't forget to hit that little bell notification to get notified every time I upload a video. You guys have been so good with like keeping updated with my videos, and I feel like the 2 videos a week is working really well, a lot better than the 3 videos a week. Also, my top is so cute. It's from Target. It has this little wrap that you tie. I should button this up really, but it's so cute. I love it so much. So I know you don't have a Target in the UK, but while I was here, you know, scoop that up. And also I'm really feeling this like bandana look. It really pulled the look together, if you know what I mean, and I've been wearing it like this since the sun's out and it's really breezy. So if you'd like a tutorial on how I did my scarf, I am wearing CHINUTAY CO, which is one of my scarves from my scarf collection. If you don't know that, now you do. Go check it out. It will be in the description box down below with the coupon code. And yeah, I just styled it really pretty because my scarves lay really flowy, but then they don't move either. So I thought it was a perfect way to create like a nice style with it. That's really like hipster and like hijabi friendly. You know what I mean? Anyways, also I got my lashes done. I don't know if you guys can see it. They're so pretty, and you know, when I get my lashes done, I make sure that they're not natural, because go hard or go home. Do you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to have to put lashes on top of my lash extensions because I like my lashes to be quite thick, and these lashes are super pretty. I got them done here. She's based in Long Island, so if you want to check her out, I'll put her little Instagram page here and you guys can hit her up. She's amazing. Her name is Jocelyn. She's super down to earth. She's a cute little office. She also does like teeth whitening, so that's the next thing on my list. My teeth are looking really yellow, but so I'm gonna go to her probably in the next couple days and get my teeth bleached, and maybe I'll vlog that. If you guys want me to vlog that, I'll vlog that as well, because I've never gotten my teeth bleached before. So yeah, check out Jocelyn's page. I'm gonna put it right here. It's gonna be a makeup tutorial, but I'm gonna talk through it. I know you guys enjoy that a lot more because it's like kind of like you guys are just sitting there and doing your makeup with me, and it's more personable, I think. So I also like doing this more than like the voiceovers, but it's good to mix it up a little. I'm using the Clinique Prep Start Pouting Perfect Balm. It's good, it's not sticky. Make it outside friendly. I'm gonna use my SPF. This is the Kiehl's SPF 50. Ladies, you have, and gentlemen, you guys have to use your SPF, like some serious. I just like to massage and sculpt my face. So what I did was last night I was googling like the pressure points in your face and like how to like massage your face, because when I put on a face cream, a face oil, anything like that, I like to just massage my pressure points, and it just feels so good. I feel like I'm draining all the toxins and like the swelling into my lymph nodes, and just give your face a little massage when you put on some cream, especially when it's like a really slidable cream. Do you know what I mean? You just kind of just lift your face, go from the intersection of your face and just lift upwards your brows. If you're someone that makes a lot of expressions like me, like I'm always like, this is perfect. Sure. I love you. Where are your clothes? Where are your clothes? I'm gonna go in with this Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base, which is like a moisturizer and primer in one. I really like this stuff. I feel like it really adheres to my foundation, especially like a fuller coverage foundation. Don't forget too much. I'm gonna go in with my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and I got the color 6.25. I think this is too light on me. I've only used this once, but I left it open and it spilt everywhere. So, kind of upset about that. Completely forgot to correct. I'm gonna go in with my corrector. This is the one I've just been using a lot. But no, I can't go on without correcting my dark spots because it just makes such a big difference, especially like over time, like during the day. By the time it's nighttime, my makeup just looks a lot better when I correct. The grays don't start to like come out usually, but with correcting it doesn't. For my lashes, I really like them, guys. I feel like she did the perfect thickness. It's all blended inside my skin. I'm gonna go in with the Giorgio Armani foundation. Just yeah, I can't believe I haven't used this foundation yet. Like, I can't believe this is my first, well, technically second time trying this foundation. It's like, I know it's a lot of people's fave. And I've always been meaning to pick it up. I'm gonna go in with my Dior Skin Forever Concealer in the shade 030. I know you hate the concealer lips, but I'm just gonna wipe it off after I do this. And I'm just gonna lightly conceal and brighten under the eyes. This concealer is a NARS Soft Matte Concealer, and it's the only cream concealer that I brought with me, and I'm almost hitting pan, and it is such a satisfying feeling when you're a blogger and you're hitting pan to a certain product, because you're constantly buying or getting new makeup to try, and it's like you never actually hit pan on anything. So the fact that I took this concealer because I'm like, no, Manal, you're gonna finish this, you really enjoy this concealer, and I even bought a backup just in case I finish it while in here. But I just really love this concealer. I feel like it suits a lot of different people. So if you're looking for a really good, nice matte concealer that doesn't crease as much as other cream concealers, this is a good one. Alright, so now that I baked and I set everything into place, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, which is probably my favorite Anastasia palette that she has, because the colors are just so unique and they're super spring and summer friendly. So I really like this lime green color. It's just so pretty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that color and just pop it on the inside of my eye right here. Like that. What I like to do is first just look at my eye without lifting my eye or anything like that, and following the inner crease. That way when I do stretch my eyelid, I could just blend it into the crevices. Do you know what I mean? So you get the exact amount of eyeshadow like application, because if I just lift my eye and I applied a little too little, or I don't know exactly where it's going to end up when I relax my eye. Do you know what I mean? I love this color. And I love matte eyeshadows. Ooh! My eye and blend. I got it at Macy's and it was on sale for $29, and I posted on my Instagram story where you could swipe up and purchase it. So I always got you guys when good things go on sale. I'm just like, get it before it's gone. You know what I mean? Oh, just how cute is that green? It's so cute. I love it. I'm gonna take this color right over here, which is like it's called the color, I'm gonna take the color Throne, which is like a really deep green, and I'm going to apply this on the inner crease, but not on the outside. So just right here, right in the corner, like that. Take a flat shader brush, just press it into this nice corally color, which is also a matte. This color is literally the best coral color for your lid. How pretty is that color? Alright, now for the fun part. I'm going to take this electric blue liner. This is by Sephora, but I know Dior makeup has launched some really pretty colors that is waiting for me back in London. But for now I'm going to use this one, and I'm just going to create a wing liner. Alright, now that I've coated the tips of my top lashes and my bottom lashes with some mascara, I'm going to go in with my brows. Now this is the most easiest step, which is like what I'm so proud of. I'm going to take some tinted brow gel and brush my brows up, work on one brow at a time, and just fan them up and make them look really feathered. Because my eyes are really loud, I'm going to keep my brows really natural looking and really like 80s inspired. 70s, 80s-ish. Very vintage looking. Does that make sense? So I'm just using the Lancome brow gel, and it's called Sourcil Styler. I don't know. This is one of my favorite brow products. And to achieve this effect, you could also use the Glossier Boy Brow Gel, which essentially does the same thing. This has a slight like tint to it, so it adds some hairs to the brow as well. But just when I think it's too much, once I finish my makeup look, it doesn't look too much. And I always like to go in with a second layer on the outside of my brows, just to add some fullness. Just wipe off whatever's on your skin. Current favorite product, this is called Faux Freckle Makeup Applicator. So super cute, super compact, and this is what I've been doing to give myself a more like summer freckled look. And I do have a discount code down in the description box if you guys want to purchase this product. And then before it dries, I just press it into my skin. Like that, and it gives me a really soft freckle look. I'm going to apply some bronzer. This is the Dior Bronzer, and it's their new one. It's called Dior Skin Mineral Nude Bronze. And I kind of been just liking a little bit of bronzer, or a lot of bit of bronzer, instead of contouring. Wow. Instead of contouring, just because I like how natural it looks. So I'm just gonna bathe in this stuff because it's gold. Like, it's literally the most subtlest, softest bronzer. Yeah, it's still adding such a big difference to my makeup look. A little bit of blusher. I'm just gonna take a little bit of blusher, and this is the blush by Clinique in the shade Sunset Glow, and it's the only one I took with me on vacation, but it's kind of like an everyday blush, or a blush that just always goes with your makeup look. Do you know what I mean? I'm gonna go really heavy on the blush because I feel like it complements the eyes. Now for the lips, I'm gonna go in with Bite Beauty's 040 lip liner, and just obviously overline my lips, obviously. This is like the perfect nude color for this makeup look. And just to create a more ombre look, I bought this Berry M Matte Me liquid lipstick from the drugstore in Superdrug. The packaging looked so much darker than what it actually was when I bought the liquid lipstick, and it comes in a kit, so I don't even use it unless I'm using it as like a highlight color, you know what I mean? To like ombre my lips. I'm gonna take my fan brush, and I'm just gonna take these two colors over here, the color Unity and the color Pyramid, and I'm gonna run the brush up and down, mixing the matte with the shimmer, creating like a nice highlighter color. And because the fan brush is really skinny, it gets right in there. And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Comment down below and let me know what you think. It's super playful and I encourage you to play with color and just kind of like express yourself this spring. And yeah, and try something new, definitely. Like how I've been trying this makeup, how I've been trying a blue liner, electric blue liner. I absolutely love how it looks, and I also been loving this hijab tutorial. So if you guys would like to see a hijab tutorial, comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video and for supporting me and for just being a part of my YouTube community. I love you guys so much and I really appreciate it. If you'd like to purchase a scarf, I left a discount code down in the description box. It's from my own personal shop, so go ahead and check that out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.